Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Webflow website for affiliate marketing in 2024. So creating a Webflow website for affiliate marketing can provide you with a flexible platform to promote products and generate income. Here is a step-by-step guide to set up Webflow sites optimized for affiliate marketing. This tutorial also is tailored for beginners and will guide you through the process of setting up a new site that effectively promotes products and helps you earn commissions. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to open a browser. Here I'm using Brave for you. You can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically just go to the URL section and go to your webflow.com, hit the enter button, and that should take you to the home screen or main screen right away. If it's your first time, you'll be able to click on Get Started. It's free to create an account. And if you have an account, just click on Login instead to log in into your account. You can use Google if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So as you can see, if there's any update, they will show you here. And yeah, here you are. So for us, we would like to go and create a new site for specified for affiliate marketing. So I'll just go here and click at the top right corner, New Site. And once I do so, of course, I'll be able to choose the templates or start from blank sites from scratch. So for me, I'll choose the templates. I don't want to start from the beginning. For the categories, of course, you can look for something on affiliate that is related to your niche. Like example, depending on the affiliate that you're going to do. It's about business or design or technology or marketing, depending on whatever you want. For me, as example, I'll just do maybe marketing as example. And I don't know, I'll just choose this one. Okay, this one is paid. Okay, I'm looking just for the free options. Yeah, this one is free, it seems. So I'll just go here and click on preview templates. It seems like I need to upgrade for some reason, even if I choose here free. So just click on all, then free. I'll just choose a random one as example. So it seems like free, but it seems like I cannot use it. What do they mean by upgrade plan? You're on the starter plan. Yeah, I want to stay on the starter plan. So I'll just go back here, template again. This free, normally I should be able to use it without any problems. So use for free. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay, so I'll just go back as an example. Go back here, marketing, free, this one preview, view, and click on use for free. So yeah, that's what I want. You've reached the limit of 2 in-hosted sites on your site. Yeah, so okay, I know why. So I'll just go back to the dashboard here and view your dashboard basically. And I'll just delete one of my sites so I'll be able to use or to create another site. So I'll just go here and okay, archive, why not? So I will need to type the following. So I'll just copy it, enter it, archive. Same will be for this, archive. Just copy this, paste here, archive. And now I'll be able to create a new site without any problem. So click on templates, go back marketing, free, and yeah, I can choose that without any problems now. I'll have to give it a name. I'll just name it testing F at the moment, just affiliate, click on create sites. And once I do so, I'll be taken to another page where I'll be able to start customizing the templates that I just used. Of course, as I said, you can start from scratch if you want. You'll be able to do it without any problems. So make sure to do it. To get started, make sure to follow the following example. So that will make you build your site faster with these Webflow essentials. So all you need to do here is just simply customize your content with localization and publish your site once you finish. But basically, as an affiliate like link or sorry website, what you'll need to do after like customizing the design, if you want to like adjusting colors, fonts, layouts, add element that reflects your brand identity, ensure your site visually appealing and user friendly, which encourage of course visitors to explore and engage with your affiliates content more. So after that, make sure to set up some CMS collection for content, create some CMS collection to organize your affiliates content effectively. CMS collection and Webflow, of course, allow you to structure and manage dynamic content like products, reviews, guides, and even of blog posts. So you'll be able to define fields such as title, description, affiliate link, and image for each content type. You have, of course, a lot of content type. Then, of course, it's time to start adding. So go to a specific section, example, you can name it like affiliates, and start adding your affiliate links that you have. Add the affiliate links to your CMS collection or directly within your content. Webflow allows to create some custom fields for affiliates URLs that track clicks using third-party analysis tools, and you can ensure transparency by disclosure affiliates relationship as required. Basically, you can go to the specific page that you want. As example, I don't know, maybe even the home page. Just click on the plus, and you'll be able to start adding your affiliate links. As an example, so just look for its example. You can simply just type link. Of course, you have here text link or even link block as example. Let me just look for if there's no. So there's nothing like that. So just add those things as example. Let's say link block. Just add it here and make sure the URL to enter here your affiliate link. As example, for me, I'll just add a random one, so google.com. And you can start, of course, designing it however you want. So this is going to be the link block. So once someone like click on it, they'll be taken to the affiliate link that you have. Once you add your affiliate link, it's time to optimize your Webflow sites for search engines to track organic traffics. You can use the Webflow built-in SEO settings. Basically, first you'll have to start by completing this getting started, then go to advanced things from here. So basically, you'll have to add meta titles, descriptions, and keywords for each page. Then connect your sites to Google Analytics example or other analytics tools to monitor traffics and user behaviors and even conversion rates. So that before launching, make sure to preview your sites on desktop, tablet, mobile landscape, and mobile portrait, and it should look good on every one of them. If it's not, your SEO will not be great looking. Once you preview everything is looking correctly, make sure to publish your site. Simply publish it, and make sure to have a custom domain that is remembered very easily, and you'll be good to go. So this is gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.